This routine is going to be particularly good for cyclists, hikers, runners, or anybody who uses their lower body a lot in their workouts. Over time, all those repetitive movements gather up tension in your muscle fibers, and you can release that at home with foam rolling just as a massage therapist would do in a massage. Foam rolling is one of those things that hurts so good. If you're doing it right, it should feel like a massage therapist is hitting those knots and really getting in there to release some of that tension. The keys with foam rolling are to take your time and breathe through it. Let's get into it. We'll start with the quadriceps, and you want to lay on your belly with the foam roller under your quads. With foam rolling, you really want to have short little rolls. You're looking for knots. When you find one, you want to hold there and breathe. And once you feel that muscle release, you can start bending your knee and releasing. You want to pin that knot and stretch it by the flexing of your muscle. And you're going to work all the way down your quad this way, shifting from the top to the bottom with little small rolls, finding knots, working them out, and breathing through it as you flex and release the leg. This is the technique you'll use for all your muscle groups. For the hamstrings, you'll be essentially sitting on top of the foam roller and then rolling back a little bit to get the hamstring on top of the roller. If you need a little bit more pressure, you can actually stack your other leg on top and balance on top. That will add some more pressure to get in there and find the knots. And you're going to repeat the process. Find a knot, sit on it, breathe, feel it release, and move along. Same goes for the glutes, which you'll do one glute at a time, sitting on top of the roller with small little rolls, looking for knots. When you find one, sit and release. And then once you feel that release, you can bend and straighten your leg to do that pin and work out the knot motion. For the outer thigh, the IT band, this is really, really good for runners especially. Roll back and forth. This one is pretty tender. And then you'll bend that bottom leg when you find a knot to work it out. The calf, you can roll just like this with one leg, or again, if you need more pressure, you can place the other on top of that. Work your way up and down the calf, releasing knots and bending and flexing that foot to really get in there and release all the tension. Lastly, the inner thigh. This one is a little more awkward. Get on your belly and get that roller underneath the inside of your thigh, and you're going to roll left to right this time. Find a knot, sit on it, breathe through it, feel it release, and then you're going to bend and straighten that leg to pin that knot. Work your way up and down that thigh to catch the whole long muscle as you go. And that's all the major muscle groups for a lower body foam rolling session.